Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you a way that you can make some quick money if you're in need of some quick, fast cash. Well, I've got a site here today I'm going to show you that will give you that capability to do that even right after this video. You can get started on it right away. Alrighty, so first of all, before we get started on this, I want to speak to those of you that are new to my videos and have not yet subscribed. Well, anytime during this video, while you're thinking about it, reach down below the video, click the subscribe button, and click the little notification bell right beside it there so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here. Alright, well, with that out of the way, also anytime during this video, if you feel like you're getting some good value from it, reach down there and click that thumbs up button for me if you would, and give me a like. Alright, thanks guys. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on this. The site we want to deal with here today is this site right here, and you can see it right here. It's called Crowdology, and if you look right up here in the address bar, it's crowdology.com. You see it right there. And this site, what it is you can share your opinions and earn a little bit of extra money. In fact, it says right here, get paid up to $10 for every survey you complete, so you can spend it on the things you love. So this site and this method here today, guys, you're not going to make a lot of money, and you can still make some pretty good spending money for yourself, and it happens pretty quick. If you need money, you can make a quick $10, $20, $30 even just in one day's time, just by doing these surveys here. It's free, guys. This is all 100% free, and it should be able to be done from anywhere in the world, okay? And down here it says you can make a little extra on the side and treat yourself to those close to you. And it says we're experienced in working with leading brands who want to know what you think about their products and services. So that's why we pay you for every single survey you complete, helping you to make a little extra on the side to spend as you wish, whether it's a treat or someone close to you, or something nice for yourself. And it's just a matter of sign up, receive your survey, and get paid. And as you can see by the symbol right here, guys, yes, they will pay you by PayPal. That's one of the ways. It says Crowdology surveys are quick and easy to fit into your day. Our online surveys typically take between 2 and 15 minutes to complete. That's not very long. And so it's easy to fit into your day, whether you're filling in time or on your journey to work or during a break time or anything like that. So this can be done on your phone. This can be done on a tablet or a laptop. Anywhere you're at, you can do these surveys at any time as you want. It says right here, earn money from day one. Right here, guys. That's what I was saying earlier. You can come right over here and get started on this right after this video. You can come over and get started right away. It says here, the amount you get paid depends on the length and type of the survey you take part in. It says here, starting from 40 cents as the lowest and going up to $10 or even more. Some of them will be over 10. It said because you can withdraw your money through PayPal as soon as your balance reaches $8, and you see right here. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you want to make sure that you go to paypal.com and just sign up for a free personal account there. And then the same email that you use to sign up on PayPal would be the same email you'll want to use when you sign up on Crowdology here on this site as well. And then also you can get paid by Amazon gift cards, or you can get what's called G codes here. I'm not real sure what that is. It may be something to do with Google, it sounds like. And so this talks here, leading brands are ready and waiting to hear your opinions. Said surveys cover a wide range of topics and brands, and from what you think about the food you eat to things you couldn't live without on holiday. It says it's your opinions on everyday things that count, so we'll pay you for giving your opinions and views and your thoughts. They're interested in what you think about their products and services. These companies are. Now, here's a really cool thing. You can even win prizes as an added bonus here, guys. This is at Crowdology. We also like to treat our members to regular competitions with great prizes like an Apple Watch or an iPad. So you can take a look at our blog for more information about that. And then actually right here, down here they have the prize draw winners if you'd like to see who the latest winners of these prizes that they have here for the added bonus here for these Crowdology surveys and stuff. So what you want to do is just want to come up here and click on sign up right here, guys, where you can sign up in any of these buttons here. And click on that, and it brings you over here. It just says sign up, complete surveys, and earn cash. It's that easy, guys, and that quick. It says get paid to do surveys in 3 quick steps. Register, Activate your account and start completing surveys. Cash in with each survey you complete and cash out with PayPal, G-codes, or Amazon vouchers. Starting as low as $8 is all you need. Well, you can get that pretty quickly, I would imagine. You could probably cash out in your first day on this site right here doing this work here. So it's just a matter, you want to fill in your first name, your last name, here your email address. You're going to put that same email address that you signed up with on PayPal right here in this box right here, and then just repeat it here. Create yourself a good strong password and then repeat it, and then click as you're a man or a male or female, and then your birth year, you want to put that in there, and then your zip code, and then make sure you check these boxes down here about the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, and then just click sign up. And then go check your email, because it sounds like they're going to send you an email confirmation based on what it says right here, activate your account right there. So you'll want to get that validated and verified and come back and get signed in, and you just simply log in, and then you can start earning money right here on this site pretty quick, it looks like. It says right here, start earning straight away. It says leading brands want to know what you think about their products and services. Mentioned that to you before. What you'll be paid by, it says here, we don't do points schemes. It says it's all about money. It says you're taking part in each online survey, and so on and so forth, and start withdrawing your money quickly. All you need is $8 to cash out through PayPal. Guys, this is a pretty good site where you can come and make some quick, easy money just by taking surveys, and you can withdraw it, I imagine, the very same day that you do these surveys. If you started today, you could probably withdraw your money today right to your PayPal account. Alrighty guys, well guys, that's been a short and quick and sweet video I had for you today. It's a way to make you a little bit of extra spending money if you need some quick money. Not going to get rich off of this, but by the way, if you're interested in something that will show you how you can make thousands of dollars per day, well, what you want to do is click down there below in the top of my description where you see it says mentorwithkev.com, and come on over and come through my funnel and check out what's available there for you in a free video presentation. And you can watch that and see how you can learn high ticket affiliate marketing where you can make thousands in one day's possibility. Alrighty? Alright guys, that's what I had for you today, was this neat little video here where you can make some quick money. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And with that, I think I'm going to let you go, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so. Don't forget to watch these other videos that are popping up here too. They'll help you learn how to make money online as well. I'll see you guys again here in a couple of days or so. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.